Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you how you can connect your Shopify store to a Instagram or Facebook shop, so you can sync your products automatically, and you can have that shop on Instagram and Facebook so that you're able to sell whatever products you like on those social media platforms and integrate the two. Okay, so let's get started. So to begin this, you first need a Facebook page, um, and an Instagram account, obviously. Once you have that and you have your Shopify store, or you need to actually first go to your business suite. You need to go create an account, and if you're in your business suite, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to have your business manager set up, and you're going to need to create a commerce account, and that should be over there. But what you're going to need to do, if you click on your commerce manager over here inside your business suite, so your business suite is where your business manager is going to be for your different accounts. So if I click on the account that I'm looking for and I go to commerce manager, it's going to show me that I have a product catalog already set up, and you need this catalog to be able to sync your products to from Shopify to Meta. And you do that by simply just adding catalog and then running through the wizard. Say for example you have an e-commerce store, and you just carry on next. You'll say connect to a partner platform, and you'll select Shopify, and then you'll go to Shopify, and you would then log in with your Shopify account, and that will sync and connect your Shopify store to your um, commerce manager, and that will sync your products, and by doing that you can have your catalog set up on Meta. And then once that is done, if you just go back, once that's done, then you're just gonna have to we're gonna have to sync your Shopify store to Facebook or Meta or Instagram, and you, that will be you'll be able to display all your products and make it shoppable on those social media platforms. So to do that part of it, you're going to have to go to apps over here, and we're going to have to go to, if you click on apps and sales channels, and then from here we're going to need to add Facebook and Instagram. Let me just go back. I just need to search for it. Click on here, and we're going to search for Facebook in the Shopify App Store. And we're going to click on Facebook and Instagram by Meta, and click on add app. You can click on add sales channel, okay, so now we've added the Facebook and Instagram sales channel to our Shopify store. And then from here, all we have to do is we're going to have to follow this wizard over here, and we're going to select start setup, and then we're going to need to connect our Facebook account to our sales channel that's now installed on Shopify. We click on connect account. It will bring up the accounts that are in your account center, and you can just click on that. Click on both. If you want Instagram on its own, or if you want Facebook on its own, you can select either or you can just select both and you can connect. It's going to ask you if you what data sharing preference you want, and I'll just go with the default and I'll say save. And then it's going to ask you if you want to connect a Facebook pixel, and we do want to do that so that we can track our conversions. So we can just say connect. If you do not have one already, you can just click on create new, and that will create you a new pixel, and that will connect to your Shopify store. So I'll just click on connect, and I'll select I agree and submit for review. So once you do this, you can it'll take a couple of days for them to review your shop, and just make sure that you following all the policies according to Facebook and Instagram. And once they've reviewed it, it usually takes about 2 to 3 days, and then from there you will be able to get approval for that. And then once your approval comes through, you'll be able to sell on Facebook and Instagram, and you'll be able to view your shop, and you'd also be able to tag all your products when making posts on Instagram or Facebook. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But that's how you connect your Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Goodbye.